Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the digital display light pipe on your dryer. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's damaged or missing. For this repair, I'll be using a flathead screwdriver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dryer we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire. Keep in mind, you might have one that's not quite exactly the same as this, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the control knob off. All I have to do is pull straight out, and now we'll turn the dryer around. So we need to remove these two screws right here. We're going to be using a Phillips head screwdriver. And once we've got those screws out, we can pull the top back and then lift it off and put it off to the side. So now we're going to unscrew these two screws here. And we'll take off the grounding wire. And now you can lift up on the control panel. And now we'll unplug all these wires here. And just make sure when you're removing these wires that you're pushing it on the tabs to release the wires from the board. So this is our electronic control board. And to get this off of our control panel, we're just going to need to remove all the screws now. Now we got a couple more screws that are inside that we have to get out. Now that we've got all of the screws out, we can lift up on the control board and separate it from the control panel. So now we've got the display here, and to get this cover off, we're going to use a flathead screwdriver. And we can use that to push in on the tab and hopefully pop the cover off. There we go. So now we're going to pull out the digital display. And now we have to separate the light pipe from the display. So to do that, I've got a little bit of a fingernail here, and I can wedge that underneath the light pipe where it connects to the display. And just pry it up a little bit, and then I can pull the two apart. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement digital display light pipe. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll put our display together with our light pipe, and you're just going to carefully feed the light pipes into the display. You don't want to force it in there, you gotta want to just let it go in on its own. If you force it, you could break one of the pipes, but once you get it in there, everything will slide in nice and easy. There we go. And just push it all the way down in there. And now you'll see inside of our control board there's two holes, and those are going to line up with the two little pieces right there that stick it out of the digital display. And we'll set that into its place. So now we can put the digital display window back on, and we'll just pop that on and it snaps into place just like that. So now we're going to line up the pin here with that hole, and everything else should line up nicely if we can get that into there. So now we've got that set into place, and now we can screw it all back down. So I'll start by putting the screws into the middle pieces here again. So now we'll plug all of our wires back in. There we go. So now we're going to slide our control panel up, and you're going to line up the holes down here with the little tabs that are sticking out. And we're just going to reattach our grounding wire here. Now we're just lining up our holes and screwing it back in. Now we'll put the top panel back on, and when we do this, we'll just slide it all the way forward until it's in place, and then line up your screw holes and screw it back in. There we go. Now we can turn it back around. And we can put our control knob back on. There we go. And your repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.